17th one, write a Python program to create a child class teacher, okay, that will inherit the properties from the parent class staff by using super function and init method. So we have already this one super function, we have already this inherit class super function, just accessing the properties of the parent class. So we'll see with an example now. So take this new class, parent class, staff parent class, declaring instance method here, instance variables, and also the instance method here. So instance variables consists of role, department, salary, and we are printing this in instance method here, okay, show details method, and we are printing the role, department, salary, as well as name and age also. So this name and age will taken from the child class here, okay, class teacher staff child class, and we are declaring name and age instance method here, and we want to access this name and age as well as this role, department, salary R2. Okay, for this we have to use super function. Okay, super function dot calling the constructor here. Okay, using calling the constructor and passing these arguments here. Okay, role, department, salary here. Okay, simple, and creating a child class object and calling show details method here. Okay, simple one. Just checking teacher dot show details because this child class consists of properties of the parent class too. Okay, execute now. See name Raj, age 25, role teacher, department size here. Okay, so but I want in dictionary format. Okay, name Raj means key value pair. So for that you have to use teacher underscore detail, simple one. Okay, name Raj age 45 in dictionary format underscore dict. Okay, if you want in key value pairs format, we have to write in underscore dict here. Okay, symbol object underscore dict here, double underscore dict here. I hope you understand here. Okay, super function. Super function is nothing but accessing the properties of the parent class. Okay, using super function you can access these init properties of the parent class here. Okay, init underscore and passing this argument teacher science 25,000 here. Okay, simple one, printing simple.